Begin by cultivating yeast in 5 to 7 milliliter of YPD medium overnight at 30 degrees Celsius. Shaking at 200 RPM until the OD600 reaches about 2. If the salmon sperm DNA (ssDNA) has not been pre-denatured, heat it for 95 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes using a PCR machine, and then cool it down before use. Take 1 milliliter of the overnight yeast culture and centrifuge at 6000 for 1 minute. Discard the supernatant and resuspend the yeast cells in 1 milliliter of sterile water. Repeat the centrifugation step again to wash the cells and discard the supernatant after the second spin. Resuspend the yeast cells in 1 milliliter of 0.1 lithium acetate and TE buffer and centrifuge again. Discard the supernatant and resuspend the cells in the same buffer. Incubate the resuspended cells on ice for about 15 minutes to activate the yeast for transformation. Prepare the transformation buffer, which contains 50% PEG. PEG is quite viscous, so it's important to mix it thoroughly to ensure it's homogeneously distributed. Add the appropriate volumes of 1 molar lithium acetate, ssDNA, and sterile water to reach a final volume of 360 microliter, minus the volume of the plasmid DNA. Gently resuspend the yeast cells in the transformation buffer and add 1 to 2 micrograms of plasmid DNA into the mixture. Ensure everything is well mixed by pipetting up and down, which allows the yeast cells to absorb the plasmid. Incubate the mixture at 30 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. This incubation helps the cell prepare for the heat shock that will facilitate the uptake of plasmid DNA. After incubation, add 36 microliter of the MSO to each transformation reaction. Mix and heat shock the yeast cells at 42 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes in a water bath. The DMSO and heat shock improve the efficiency of the transformation process. After the heat shock, centrifuge the reaction mixtures at 6000 for 2 minutes to pellet the cells. Remove the supernatant carefully and resuspend the cells in 80 microliter of sterile water. Gently pipette to resuspend the pellet and then spread the cells onto selection plates. Place the plates in an incubator at 30 degrees Celsius for 2 to 4 days to allow colonies to grow.